Hello class, it's Childers again. Okay, so we've bent two bends into this piece of 5-foot piece of 1/2 inch EMT. EMT stands for electrometallic tubing. Now, we are going to bend a 3-point saddle out of this. Now, I've already previously marked this conduit after finding a Sharpie marker that works around here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to bend a 3-point saddle. Now, a 3-point saddle can be used to go around a water line, a piece of conduit, maybe a steel post, a beam, anything like that. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to mark our conduit at 8 inches. So it's 8, 16, and 24 inches. I've already previously marked that. So, with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start bending this conduit. Now, these marks are going to go to the notch on the bender. Okay? I'm sorry, the star. And what we want to do is we want to make sure that our conduit goes down all the way. So our first bend is going to be at 22.5 degrees. Okay, we'll roll our conduit over, and this mark is going to go to 45 degrees. And then we roll our conduit over again. And this mark is going to go to 22. Okay. Now I've just been a 3-point saddle. And that's what it looks like. However, my conduit is not going to be sitting square. So what I do is I just take it and pull a little bit more in here. And now I have a 3-point saddle. And if you notice, this is what a 3-point saddle looks like. Now, right in here you could have a piece of conduit, you could have a water line, an air duct, or anything like that, or even a steel beam. Or you could be running along the ceiling and have something you got to go over. Another piece of conduit. Maybe a sprinkler line, or something like that. Now, one important thing is that, again, you sight down this thing just like a shotgun or a rifle barrel, and you'll notice you got a little kink right here. And you always want to have straight conduit. So I'm going to put this in here like this. I'm going to give it a little ooch. And that should take it right out. And it did. Except I've got a little one right here too, which is no big problem. All you do is just take and put this in there, and it doesn't take a lot of strength. Just a little pull. A little happy pull. And now you've got conduit that's straight. As I look down that, it's perfect. Now, to make sure that this fits against the wall, that's how it goes. Okay? This is going a little bit out, so what I'll do is I'll take and pull that in, put it back in the bender backwards, give it a little pull, and that should take care of it. Doorknobs work great for hanging benders. That's perfect, guys. It's flush. So what I'm checking is that this plane that runs here is the same and it fits flat. So we have a 5-foot piece of conduit, and we bent a box offset, a 90-degree bend, and our 3-point saddle. It's a 3-point saddle because this is point 1, point 2, point 3. Okay? Thank you very much for watching the video. This is how you bend a 3-point saddle.